Man-made pollutants have been found in the deepest parts of the Pacific Ocean. A study of the Mariana and Kermadec trenches on the seafloor showed high levels of industrial chemicals, including PCBs, banned since the 1970s.
They don't exist in nature, which makes them an ideal tracer to look for in more and more remote environments, because if you're looking for a kind of legacy story or a footprint of human activity, things like PCBs are an ideal thing to look for because they have to have come from industrial activity.
Pollutants were probably transported by industrial accidents, discharges and landfill leakages. Non-degradable, they're consumed by amphipods like these. Voracious eaters that populate the seafloor, the crustaceans are ideal for such research. Eaten by larger fauna, the polluted contents of their stomachs make their way up the food chain.
The biggest surprise was that the Mariana Trench samples were so high. They were huge. They're just unbelievable. You know, the levels were at face value 50 times higher than what's considered to be one of the most polluted rivers in China.
This self-made deep-sea lander was used to plumb the trench's depths and bring amphipods to the surface.
On the vehicle itself there are cameras and things like pressure sensors and temperature sensors and water samplers and traps in this case. And it free falls, it just falls straight down to the sea floor. So at full ocean depth, 11 kilometres, it will take about 4 hours in free fall to reach the bottom, and it crash lands, and we bait it with fish we find in that area.
Contaminants were found inside the stomachs of every amphipod tested. Researchers plan further studies to find how such pollution affects the wider ecosystem.